to your stock picks a little bit earlier because I want to say a few thank yous. So, Wayne, what is your stock pick this evening?
One I did a while back, Sasol. I'm doing it again. It just looks so incredibly bombed out at these levels. Obviously, you've got to get a commodity upcycle. It's bouncing along the bottom here, but if there is any turn in chemical prices and the oil prices on some sort of recovery in the global economy, I mean, this share truly is going to do well. Whether it takes another year to do anything, or I got no clue, but it does look truly cheap at these valuation levels.
David, how about you?
I'm going for Novo Nordisk. I still like the fatty drugs. Both Eli Lilly's coming out on Thursday and Novo Nordisk. You know, Juliet, I always look at results on their own. I never look at forecasts and what analysts are saying and what they're expecting. And I always like to assess it on the strength of its fundamental result. And I mean, these are outstanding results. You know, they might have missed Wegovy by 1% or so, and they're down about 7% today. They were up 4%. Yeah, but I mean, this is a company that over the last 5 years is giving you 37% per annum. So it's still very much in the, you know, it's still a theme that is still very, very strong. Yeah. So give it a break, maybe a day or two, but it's a good, you know, it's still a very good business.
Okay. And I just wanted to make a few thank yous as it's my last show on Stockwatch. So David and Wayne, I think I started this with you in about 2009, so it's 15 years. And I have to say, it very long ago ceased to be a job, and it's just been a blast. Every Wednesday night has been an absolute privilege chatting to the two of you. I don't know what I'll do on Wednesday nights at 6:30, but I really, you know, thanks for the fun and for the wits and for the patience and for all the insight that you've doled out to me and to the viewers over the years. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, we're going to miss you. It's not the same. And I'm really sad. I'm very sad. And I'm sad about what's happened. Yep. You know, if we could talk to management, if they're listening, you've been an incredible anchor. And, you know, it doesn't come overnight. So I don't know. I'm very sad that this is perhaps our last show.
Yeah, well, it is our last show. So
I must concur with David. It's been such fun over the years. I mean, we've had laughs. We've hopefully given more good advice than bad advice. And it definitely will not be the same without you in the chair. It's been, once again, such fun over the years.
Yeah, thank you. And thanks to the producers in the team. They've always had to put up with my grumpiness. Thanks to the technical directors, especially Mbongeni Kumalo, who is an unflappable force. He really doesn't get rattled very easy, so I really appreciate the years that we've worked together. And then lastly, thanks to the viewers. The show wouldn't have been the same without you and your questions, even the nasty ones and the ones that tell me to brush my hair. I've appreciated even those. The show is really, I hope we've been a useful conduit to such great investment insight. So from myself, a big thank you to you all. Up next, we have the close. Stay with us.